Braka krani ene title e friend doctor e kame akwose e ton ne baabi e na nkofo bi ehunu wo ene omokwa na omakoto bi na omde ato omudin so ene efro bia doctor okrum ha na nso so no behwe kura no na nimdia na asade e wo so okosua ansa na title doctor na nsa timi aka bi no oni ba bi mpo e fa kokosua ade no na nso behwe na title na eda omo so na omde je omo fansesa.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice writing on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. NPP for more, Marco Fasem Aba. Marco Fasem, as in case CB Paba. Now, recently, now, many will be Katana and Bisa say, then I say, John Mahamani, second coming away. Yeah, fake PhD since semi course no arena yeah doors sir, because it's basically looking as though NDC former committee being a meeting as no and I see Obianko fa title doctor I can't need now when I was discussing this thing with my friend and my friend no or draw me attention to something very, very important. Now first no na me Adrian call or say, voice say, I don't know why you're surprised. From time immemorial, no, and I say, from the inception of NPP, any NDC, no, NDC for Martina say, who say, I say NPP, no, they are very much appealing to Nkofua Omako school. Now NDC, so no, Nkofua Muya buga for we ana. Omutimi affiliate and I say identify with the NDC. And the omu one den say no, omu say okay. Then na NPP for no, omu appealing to say lecturers and unkofo omu astute people in our society mo. And omu say one of the reasons need education because NPP for there omutimi course school pa yes. And it's to me call school there any ultimately say oko NPP man will be a professor, will be a doctor, a PhD holder, will be a accountant, chartered way, will be an engineer and all those things. And who says sana say sana NPP for say the reason why they appeal to the working class, the reason they appeal to the intellectuals, the reason they appeal to professors and co is because they also like going to school. And yet, what can NDC do, okay, to also start appealing to those group of people? And when I hear omo headache from 2017 to 2024, and omo say beya, and let's also NDC for no. Yes, yeah, fa doctor no ka yedin ho. Ebra ye opposition. Esa say opposition na ko say opposition you be atimi hu say time on your hand to study. Right? And he said me so me ba me Facebook page me be say ya enrolling me or University of Ebia or China Ebe University of China Ebe na me me PhD wo ho a. Obi anem say opposition yet na move for 8 years na PhD there ebi muti be 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, a PhD. And he said, "Kapaya 1 year, 2 years to election." No? Then I would also say, "Me PhD and he say me a doctor." Nama say me, nama kawo me Facebook page and I say me Twitter page say me danyanya say he has seen me through 4 years of PhD and I say Professor Abina me so me dream a dimbi aba ma dream bi na me say Professor Okodie, Professor Brofruit. Me dan as say o yemi supervisor na we share say when who say you see me through. So they started implementing that. They say naka akoye say obi a o NPP NDC mu bia say see Dr. Rashid Tanko computer, Dr. Namumu, Dr. We asem no nyina no asa entwa ye ba like na NPP for arguing baso in terms say we yare bia ekoso. So it was allowed to flow until NDC for back power no. That is when alarm started going high. Esan say sir and Sansa Del in sema buy. So from then people started waking up to the fact say and Sansa Delhi etimi deceive the whole country into thinking say or a medical doctor a bra on your medical doctor and ye nkofo bebrea wo sa party my friend NDC party wing that are calling themselves PhD holders and that have given themselves PhD say ebia ye koma ebia omu ni sa PhD no. So people started to actually investigate it, and then what are we seeing? A lot of people, a lot of NDC for almost all PhD no omuni PhD among call university no crack or PhD bia. And GTech has just written to 2 more NDC MPs. Says our doctor omodia come with hunu omuyi free before they get angry and take them to court because emra wo etia sanyama wa wanye PhD you don't have the right so the doctor can with him wa wanye if I say wa ya ma even honorary doctorate degree krano still you don't have the right to add doctor to your name and to say ama honorary doctor degree no and just say we are doctor so and so doctor no e very precious and important. You don't just get up to become a doctor, a PhD holder. We a PhD holder just say what identify problem be our society mu and a one mass problem one mass solution for that problem. And which there you don't have the right to me from doctor. Now science for problem ben am identify a mama musi mama solution. Problem being no problem whatsoever. And just get up and take titles upon yourself. Doctor key you there. Doctor no free modern hona. Nepa junior. Mufi say easy sir. Say easy sir will be a doctor. PhD holder. And nyama.
We and announce a honsome etimi asori wo my get mu a adwumaku mo ho sansem no honsem kaye ene Ghana Tertiary Education Commission 20 a efo GTech na mpenifo yi anase kuo yi ene de krata pie monten so a wo de kokobo ekọ ediama Ghana fo adwumaku mu mpenifo ena mpo mrasebedwafo bi a edi title na ye friend doctor no omafo de ato mo ho so wa abro mu gonkosu ade bia na mpese school bia mo sa title no wo so mo hwe na omo ntwe omo ho emfamfiri ho ene o komrase bedwafe boni din doctor wan no wasore na waje so wo so doctor na ekuta wo no enya ade so konya ne ba bia na mpo no ye de hye wani monyam ni kwa so de ka odi ho na wo yusu no wo monten so na so ni pa edi wo nani abo ho asafo hene na doctor title no wo yusu no monten so saa enam so ma GTech ekoni mpenifo e de krata pie monten so de kokobo eko e de amo se nya wo yo no ofo ma Ghana mamra Education Regulatory Bodies Act 2020 Act 1023 efum samra no na mranim fo mienu na ko mpenifo gina so de krata kwakom wo mo chirum say title din doctor na da won so no woni mebumunya ye di firiye enti wonhwe na wonjai se wode ato ndi so na wo yusu no na mranim fo baako ene woni manya fo Felix na akoyo okuno opinini ya wutu senya east mrasi bedwani mpenifo hye ne say so susu say title doctor na da no so no se wonko baabi ana so kwaji ntetie wo baabi ena ne saka ye ena GTech fo nim ho maate a onfa ho adansedie embre mpenifo sanse atia bisa no eno wane agro no na emom se oni ho adansedie bia eno ono ankasa da so de ye eno said title doctor na safata no enti ofo ide kan di ho a ene wonhwe na wonyi famfiri di ho nya sampin fo betwe na so ne mu oden afen so orumanya for the graft opinini so yegomwa east mrase bedwani wono so title doctor yi ebi kan di ho ene no de ne 3 points ne fancy e wo mrase bedwafie empinifo so abọ no kokko se orumanya fo so hwe na title doctor na de ne di so no wonhwe na wonyi emfa emfiri ne di ho empinifo tirim se nya title doctor no nko a ebi mo de professor ne ade nyina toto mo ho so nyina no enam kwapa so enam mrakwa mu enti omo nyina no mpenifo gina so e de kokogbo akọ e de amo se wonya hwe yie enye saa na se emra eso mpa eti a